What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we got a package in the mail. Very excited to see what this is. Cannot wait to open this, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first off, I'm just going to say this is the first, really honestly, the first video I'm working on since I've had surgery in my mouth and everything, and, you know, it's been a while since I made a video, but it's pretty cool. You guys have been messaging me, all that, so thank you for, the support and everything, but, yeah, brand new package in the mail today. Today is currently March 12th? March 13th, whenever this video does get released. Now, this is from a good friend of mine in Target, and as most of you guys do know, Targets have been getting a ton of the Iron Spider, Red Hulk, and Bigfoot 8 trucks. Now, I'm not too sure what trucks are actually in this. I do know they're a rare truck, and if you guys do live around New Jersey or PA, well, if you live in PA, your Target probably already has those end caps with those special trucks, but New Jersey, it's been the struggle. It's been really, really a struggle. So, let's see what these trucks are. I really don't know what they could be. I don't know if they're doubles. I don't know if they're duplicates. I have no clue. So, I'm really excited. The only thing I know is it's a Hot Wheels monster truck. Maybe. So, yeah. Let's see. Alright, so we got some bag. And we're just going to open it. Looks like both are right in here. So, great packaging as always. Looks like we got a nice, awesome Walmart bag. Wow, look at this packaging. Alright, one bag. Wow, maybe I should start bagging trucks when I ship them out like this. We'll see how the quality is. If these things aren't bent or anything, this might be the new way to go. Alright. So, yeah, I had surgery in February. Haven't really had the chance to talk or anything like that. It's been kind of a struggle, but we're back. More videos coming out. I got a ton of trucks since the last video, and these are the two newest ones to my collection. And I don't know if you guys can see the back already, but that does look like the Bigfoot 8. Alright. Wow, look at this packaging. This is some really good packaging here. Alright, so the first truck is none other than, alright, look at that. Really, really cool. This is honestly a truck I never, ever thought I would get. Look at that, perfect condition, not bent. Now, the crazy thing with these things is there were some on eBay, and they were going for like $140, $150, stuff like that. It was absolutely crazy, and you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I was really tempted on buying one of them, but I held off. Got a couple messages, which is really cool. And now the second truck, I don't know what this is, and it is none other than... Alright, well, that's cool. So, definitely he knows I keep one, and I open one. Really cool. This one does look like it is in perfect condition as well. Really, really cool, dude. This is something that, you know, me being a huge Bigfoot fan growing up and everything, this is basically the Bigfoot truck I watched growing up in the Penda racing series and everything. So, really cool. Great condition on both these trucks. Really awesome. And I'm going to read the back here, because this is actually the first time I'm ever actually seeing these. So, really cool. Let's see, Bigfoot 8 pickup, tubular chassis, long jump crush, in the clear new heights. So, yeah, even though Iron Spider and Red Hulk are rare, I honestly never thought I would have one of these trucks, let alone two. So, really, really cool. Really happy with this. Love how I got two, and not just like two that are just like bent or whatever, but two in mint condition. Now, these things are going to become more common, I understand that, and I think the prices on eBay actually dropped from like $100 to like 50. I've seen some for like 25 if you know the right search results or whatever, but really cool. Just the fact that I never thought I would get these ones, so big shout out to you for sending these to me. Really cool. Thank you so much. And now that I'm all healed up, I can talk, I can actually work on videos and stuff. We're going to see a lot more videos coming out very shortly. Don't worry. Thank you guys so much for the support, for reaching out and everything. It's been a great month to say the least, and I will see you guys in another video very, very shortly.